Hello everyone, myself Chandra Mohan Singh. In today's video, I would like to teach you about few more tools of MS Paint. So, before starting this video, I just want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for more updates. So, let's start. So, here you have seen I have made one picture and this is the president house. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I want to insert the name of this house. So which tool here I'm going to use? So here I would like to use the text tool to insert some text inside this picture. I would like to use the text tool. So where is the text tool? So inside the tools we have the text tool. Click on that and drag your pointer to the place where you want to insert the text. So I want to insert the text here. So click on that and see the dotted line will show you the place where you want to insert the text. Okay, now choose your size, like which size you want to take. So here I would like to use the size of 28 pixel. Okay, now if you want to decrease, what you will do, again go to the font size and then choose your desired size. Fine. Now next is, if suppose you want to apply bold, italic and underline, then you can do it from here. Now there's one more thing, that you can also change the font family from here. Like if suppose you want to apply some cursive like this, then you just click on that and then that font family will be applied on your paint. Okay, just just click on the area where you want to write. So here I want to write president. You should choose the color also from here, which color would you like to use. So I would like to use this red, dark maroon color. Fine. So I'm going to write president president house. Okay, now you can increase or decrease the size of your box, like this much I would like. And then once you have done, what you will do, you just drag it to the place where you want to show, like this. Fine. So this is how I can write the text inside the picture. Fine, you can also do this. Now next is the most important command of the paint, is how to save a file, or how to save a file. So for this, what you have to do, you have to click on this save icon. So this is the quick access toolbar. If you want to go, if you want to save your file, you just click on this, or we have one more option there inside this file tab. Click on the file tab and see there is option of save as and save. So if you want to create a new file, for this what you will do, just click on save as. If your file is not saved, it will you can save your new file from here also, if your file name you have not saved your file. Okay, so here I'm going to click on save as and choose the type of picture you want to be saved. So here I want to make a jpg file. So click on the jpeg and now you just type the name of your file here, like I want to give the name that will be a ph president out. Okay, dot jpg, and choose the destination or the library where you want to save. So I would like to save this file on the desktop. Fine. Now click on the save and then see the file has been saved. You just see the name of your file here also, ph.jpg. Now your file is saved. Now what you will do, you can also close this, like you can close your file from here also, or you can close your file by clicking on the file tab, and here we have the option of exit. Click on that and see, it will ask you to save. Yes, now your paint has been saved. Okay, next is, again you just click on the paint and open your paint. Fine. Okay, now we have no picture here right now. If you want to if you want to open your existing picture, for this what you will do, you just click on this file tab again. Okay, now go to the open, and you can choose the place, choose the area where you have saved your file. So here I have saved my file on the desktop. Click on the desktop, and then this is my file ph.jpg. Choose it and then click on open, and now see my previous file has been, or existing file has been opened. So, and there's a one more option, that is how to print your picture. For this what you will do, just click on the file tab. Now under the file tab we have the option of a print. Okay, so if you want to directly print your page, what you will do, just click on this print. Or if you want to set up your print, so for this what you will do, click on this setup. And if you want to see the print preview, it means before printing how your picture will looks, you just want to see that. For this what you will do, click on this print preview and see how your print will be looks. So when you are going to take a print out, your picture will looks like on the page, it will looks like that. Okay, so if you want to go back, for this what you will do, click on the close print preview. Okay, now what you have to do, we have some more options there. So again go to there, and now click on the page setup. See what it shows. So here few options are given inside the page setup dialog box. Now the first one is the size. Size is what? Size is the size of your page. So here by default it has selected letter. So if you want to choose the letter, so you just remain it, and if you want to change it and make it into the A4 sheet, so click on the A4 sheet. Now it has asked you for portrait and landscape. What is portrait? Portrait is the vertical format and landscape is the horizontal format. Okay, now if you want to click on the portrait, it will show you your page in like this. And if you click on the landscape, your page will be on the position of sleeping. Your page will display as like a sleeping position. Fine. Now you can set the margin. Margin is, what is margin here? Margin is the extra space from the left, top, bottom, right. Okay, have you seen your copy? In your copy there is a margin from left, top, right and bottom. So same margin you can give here also. Fine. Now few more options are there, you just ignore it. And if you have set up your page, what you will do, you just click on this. Okay, then your page setup will be applied. Fine. There's a one more option, that is again go to the file and click on the print. Okay, now the first option is the print. If you click on the print, it will show you the dialog box. Then in that, inside this print dialog box, it will show you the types of printers which you have already used in your computer. So there are some there are some printers which has been already displayed by the Windows. So if you want to print print your drawing from different the printer, so choose the printer which you want, from where you want to take your print. Okay, now here we have one more important thing, that is the number of copies. So if you want to take more than one copy of your drawing, so what you will do, you just change the value here. Like I want to take a print out of this drawing 3 copy. I would like to take 3 copies of this picture. 3 copies means 3 times it will print this picture. So if you write 3 here, it will print 3 pages. Okay, fine. And next what you will do, click on print, then it will start printing your page. So this is how you can print your page, save your picture, and as well as how to insert a text in your picture. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.